3-in-1 versatile cooking functions: bake, broil and toast, all in a mini compact toaster oven to fit your daily cooking needs. Space saver with 2-rack capacity. The compact and versatile design of COMFEE countertop toaster oven can fit nicely in any small spaces when counter space is limited, with comfort, stretch and articulated knees. 2 rack levels make toaster ovens. Countertop holds 2 to 4 slices of bread, 9 pizza, enough for a family. Easy to use built-in timer. The 30-minute timer includes precise toast shade preference and stay-on feature for longer baking tasks. This compact toaster oven has simple controls that are straightforward and easy to use. Wide temperature range and intuitive operation. Dials 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit lets you cook with the convenience of different type of foods. Two easy to use dials can not only let you set your preferred cooking time, but also make you easy to control temperature and cooking modes. 3 useful accessories and easy to clean. Small toaster ovens. Countertop comes with 3 accessories: non-stick baking rack, baking pan and detachable crumb tray, allows for effortless cleaning. 1-year-long warranty. 1-year warranty and a lifetime technical consultation. All problems with your toaster oven will be solved professionally. Top reviews from the United States. Great kitchen addition. We have a large and functional kitchen, but since we are only 2, using my oven seems to be a waste, not to mention smaller portions sometimes dry out when cooked in a large oven. This little appliance is a gem. I can bake, toast, warm and air fry, all in this little oven. I've used it at least once a day since purchasing. It's easy to clean, has a removable crumb tray, a glass door and a light you can turn off. It makes oven roasted vegetables perfectly, and toasts both sides of bread at the same time. The only thing I wish it had was an off switch, and that it identified the icons in the owner's manual. Neither are issues. After owning 3 other similar products, it's about as close to perfect as I've found, in a bargain for everything it does and all the appliances it replaced.